वो ऐसा लगा किसी ने प्लंजर उठा करके नींद ठूस दी हम पे। ये कौन सा चौक है भैया? सूरज पोल। माय गुडनेस, रात को कितनी लाइटिंग है यार यहाँ पे। प्रातः 9 बजे से रात्रि 8 बजे तक मनसा पूर्ण करनी माता रोपवे। सो वी गॉट सम मावा मलाई कुल्फीस। सही है ना फ्लेवर? ऑलमोस्ट खत्म भी हो गया इसका।
बहुत अच्छा।
यहाँ पे हर किसी को देख रहा हूँ चाय और मैगी, चाय और मैगी, चाय और मैगी। कोई भी रास्ते भर में पूरा वो लेक के सारे जगह जहाँ पे बैठे हैं सब मैगी ही खा रहे हैं। क्या बोलते हैं उनको?
इनको छतरी बोलते हैं, छतरी।
सो दिस इज अपेरेंटली कॉल्ड छतरी। इन भाई साहब के भरोसे हम लोग रूफ टॉप रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढते ढूंढते आए थे और हमारा मस्त कट गया। Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Aditya Vaidyanathan. This video continues from the previous one. We reached Udaipur at 12:15 in the afternoon. Hitesh and I, we went out for lunch. क्या खाना खा के गधे बेच के सो गए हम। we knocked ourselves out. हमको तो पता भी नहीं चला। We had quite a heavy lunch. It was in one place called New Santosh Bhojanalaya. We were famished. I didn't vlog that part. We just went out, searched for some restaurant, saw that it had good ratings and had our fill and just came back. And we had not slept much the previous night, right from Bangalore all the way till Udaipur. वो ऐसा लगा किसी ने प्लंजर उठा करके नींद ठूस दी हम पे। So yeah, he filled up the bathtub and he slept in it. I finished my bath, came out and I slept on the cot and हमने क्या 5 बजे का टारगेट रखा था बाहर निकलेंगे। 5 बजे उठने का, कहीं उठे ही कहाँ। We woke up at around 5:45, 5:50. Right now it's 6:20. We took our own time, more sweet time getting ready. So we have just walked out of our accommodation. We are in the streets of Udaipur. We wanted to explore a lot. Thanks to our improper planning, you can call it. We didn't get to do much. So hopefully we take some auto. We go to at least a couple of popular tourist spots here. Palace तो बंद हो गई तो कह रहा है। The Lake Palace gets closed at 6 is what I heard. Auto. We'll see what we can explore right now. Auto तो बुला रहे हैं। चलो। ये कौन सा चौक है भैया? सूरज पोल।
मतलब सिटी का एंट्रेंस गेट। हाँ, पहले हर सिटी का गेट होता था ना।
So this is Suraj Pol, the erstwhile entry gate to Udaipur city is what I heard. Our auto wale bhaiya is saying that this used to be the entry gate to Udaipur city. Presently it's one of the circles or chorahas, you can say, of traffic filled Udaipur city. So we are heading to Lake Pichola. We'll just take a quick roundabout of the lake and we'll see what we can do there on. ठीक है, जाना यार। तुम लग्जरी स्वीट की बात कर रहे हो। बेसिक रूम में 50 इंक्वायरी कर चुका हूँ। दिस इज दी Majestic Lake Palace in Lake Pichola. ताज वो है ना
कौन सा? नहीं,
या फिर ये इसी के अंदर है?
में है ना वो रिसोर्ट, मतलब ये टाइप ऑफ आइलैंड है।
अच्छा वो पैलेस के अंदर ही ताज है।
हाँ,
बढ़िया है. This is Lake Pichola and that is your Lake Palace. The Taj Hotel is located in that island. My goodness. रात को कितनी लाइटिंग है यार यहाँ पे. What you're seeing up there is the Karni Mata Mandir. I don't know if you're able to make out in this darkness. There is a ropeway going up and coming down, and also a staircase. Those white lights that you see there are the staircase leading to the temple. So we'll just explore a bit of Lake Pichola and see if we can make it to the top using the ropeway. So that will make at least one pit stop in Udaipur before we call it a wrap and leave tomorrow morning. Whatever said and done, the lighting here is amazing. I can see vehicles going on the top. I think there is a road also that leads upstairs. Maybe there are 3 ways to reach the top: road, ropeway and staircase. This seems like a relaxation point for Udaipur citizens. A lot of crowd, especially given that it's a Saturday today. Quite a few people come here, sit on the banks of the lake, enjoy the views all around, indulge in some snacks, tea, and just maybe relax a bit. So we just entered on one gate. We are moving out through the other. We'll see if we can make it to the ropeway, hopefully before it closes. Going up the steep climb to reach the ropeway. So we are walking up towards the ropeway. We just saw one tempo traveler at the entrance of this steep road. Literally got stuck. The person who was driving it, he was not able to move the vehicle forward. Forget moving the vehicle forward. I think the moment he took his foot off the clutch, the vehicle's moving in the backward direction with people inside. Oh my god, it was a scary moment. We are headed to the ropeway now to go to the Karni Mata temple atop. स्टेप्स में चढ़ पाते हैं, स्टेप्स में चढ़ पाते हैं आसानी से. सड़क स्टीप हो तो चढ़ाई नहीं होती यार.
पूरा स्टीप इंक्लाइन है.
बाप रे, we are literally gasping for breath. I mean, it's not so steep, but we were not prepared for it. Oh, that's a huge crowd at the ticket window, or maybe the. Oh no, this is the crowd to the ropeway. टिकट तू लेके आएगा, मैं लेके आऊँ?
आपको लगता है इतने में टिकट मिलेगी?
ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. प्रातः 9 बजे से रात्रि 8 बजे तक मनसा पूर्ण करनी माता रोपवे. करनी माता हमको माफ़ करना guys, unfortunately we can't visit the Karni Mata temple. So it's atop there. Of course there is a stairway which we can climb and go, but it will take a lot of time and effort तो लगा लेंगे, उसमें दिक्कत नहीं है. It will take a lot of time, that's the issue. We were totally beat. We took the afternoon nap and things got pushed a little bit. So unfortunately we couldn't make it, and the status at the ropeway window was that there's a 2-hour waiting period. और वो खुली भी 8 बजे तक ही है.
Of course.
अभी टाइम क्या हो? So that is the stairway all the way to the top to Karni Mata temple. We could have taken the stairs, but right now we are totally beat, and the ropeway has a 2-hour waiting period apparently, and it's 6:55 on the clock, and it closes at 8 o'clock. So some poor planning, unfortunately. So at least we get darshan of the temple from this point. So right now we are trying to scout for some good rooftop restaurant to get a view of the city and have some quiet dinner. But given the weekend vibes, I don't know if we'll have a quiet dinner, but let's see, let's try for it. So what you see there is the Jagmandir Palace in Lake Pichola, and over there the white light visible behind these structures, that is the Taj Lake Palace. When we tried to enter that walkway, the security guard stopped us and said there is no entry beyond this point. So that is actually the Taj Lake Palace property, that walkway. Only guests, I guess, are allowed inside. So we got some Mahawa Malai kulfis. सही है ना फ्लेवर? ये on the banks of Lake Pichola. हमने actually पूछा था कौन दूसरा कौन सा था? केसर पिस्ता. I asked for केसर पिस्ता. I like that flavor. But this is the original Mahawa Malai. अपना भाई साहब तो ऑलरेडी शुरू भी हो गए. कैसा है भाई? ऑलमोस्ट खत्म भी हो गया इसका.
बहुत अच्छा.
So it's worth trying definitely. If you come to Lake Pichola, give this kulfi a try. When you come to North India, in winter season, you will see two things very commonly. One is tea, the other one is Maggie. यहाँ पे हर किसी को देख रहा हूँ चाय और मैगी, चाय और मैगी, चाय और मैगी. कोई भी रास्ते भर में पूरा वो लेक के सारे जगह जहाँ पे बैठे हैं सब मैगी ही खा रहे हैं.
Maggi is love over here.
It becomes like a staple diet.
Staple diet.
So people are enjoying their chai and Maggie, and we are going to find some place for dinner. Let's take a stroll along the Lake Pichola and walk back to find some nice place for dinner.
अभी थोड़ी भूख लगने लगी है. आपको?
चलो.
आपको?
मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं लगी है. तू खा ले, मैं देख लूँगा. I am not a heavy eater, guys. This fellow he's a champion eater.
Thank you for the complaint.
Compliment नहीं है वो, complaint है.
अब इसीलिए तो complaint बोला मैंने.
The positives of this evening: a small trek to the ticket window of Karni Mata Mandir. We couldn't get a darshan of Karni Mata, but at least we got a darshan of her ticket window to the ropeway. Yeah, slots were full, so we'll plan it better next time. This is a takeaway for us from this. This is a small lake next to Lake Pichola. It's called Doodh Talai, and we at least got to sit there in one of those shelters built around the Doodh Talai. They lit it up very well. I think season में ये होता है क्या regularly? Regular है क्या? Okay, so I think it's a regular affair, not based on season. You can come here to spend a few minutes. Just sit down there peacefully, take a couple of photos, and spend some time with your family here. क्या बोलते हैं इनको?
इनको छतरी बोलते हैं, छतरी.
So this is apparently called a chhatri. This is where we sat. I mean, not in this one. We sat in a similar structure on the opposite side. The lighting setup is quite good. So
Attraction ही यही है.
एक फैमिली आई थी वहाँ पे, अलग अलग लाइट में चमकीले फोटोज निकाल रहे थे वो लोग. डिस्को का मजा ले रहे थे. सस्ता डिस्को ही है.
सर्दी बढ़ रही है.
सही में.
You can feel the heat of the cold.
ये ना सर्दी में बावला हो गया हीट ऑफ द कोल्ड. तो एक काम कर, न्यूज़ में एंकरिंग के लिए चला जा. हीट ऑफ द कोल्ड, सेंसिबिलिटी ऑफ द मैडनेस. So we are walking back along Govardhan Vilas main road. We are quite close to Govardhan Sagar Lake. इन भाई साहब के भरोसे हम लोग रूफ टॉप रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढते ढूंढते आए थे और हमारा मस्त कट गया. एंड एक्चुअली वी आस्क्ड इन अ कपल ऑफ प्लेसेस, दे वर लाइक आवर रेस्टोरेंट इज क्लोज्ड. क्या है ये? टूरिस्ट सिटी है, रेस्टोरेंट रूफ टॉप वाला वो भी क्लोज करके बैठे हुए हैं सब. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड सम प्लेस फॉर डिनर. द टेम्परेचर इज गोइंग डाउन विथ एवरी पासिंग आवर.
Every passing minute. कट गया.
मस्त कट गया अपना. So we are back to Suraj Pol. यहीं कहीं ढूंढ लेते कुछ खाने के लिए. लोकलाइट है, ये हमको घुमाएंगे.
नहीं, मैं इतना
We tried our best. No, to give him his due credit, we tried our best. We looked at all possible rooftop restaurants. We called. Most of them were in heavy waiting. A few of them did not even pick up the call. And some of them are closed. surprising given that tourism is a major source of revenue.
In the main city it is open,
But that is in old city. Most of the restaurants are in the old city area. Now we are going to explore. This is near Suraj Pol. And on the other side is Bapu Bazaar where our accommodation is. Let's just see what we can get here. If not, we'll go to the same restaurant, New Santosh Bhojanalaya, which we went to in the afternoon. So we finished our dinner in this place, Kasuri Veg Restaurant. It's actually a part of this hotel, Ace Plaza. The food was okay, nothing out of the blue, just enough to satiate our hunger. I was quite full after the lunch this afternoon. It was very heavy, so I settled for a simple veg noodles. They call it veg chow mein. Our man had his full
609.
ठीक है कैसा लगा तुम्हारा खाना We opted for a normal meal instead of going heavy duty like the afternoon. दोपहर को बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग किया हमने अभी डिफेंस पे चले गए
नहीं बट अच्छा था मैंने इसको बोल के आया सब्जी का
ठीक है
उसने बोला कि
क्या लगता है वो फीडबैक सीरियसली लेगा
उसने लिया एक्चुअली
अच्छा
उसने बोला कि सर जी पहले बता देते मैं चेंज ही करवा देता
अरे मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ये लोग क्या करते हैं इनको लगता है कि हमारे जो सर्व हुई है उसमें गलती है तुमने टेस्ट का उसको बताया कि ऐसा है ये उसको करेक्ट करने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे अगर तुमने टेबल पर बताया होता तो वो उस सब्जी में जो बोल तुमको सर्व हुई है उनको लग रहा होगा कि उसमें कोई खराबी है उसको रिप्लेस करके वही वापस ला के देंगे तुमको इनको रूट कॉज को एनालाइज करके उसको करेक्ट करने की कोई वो नहीं है सो अपेरेंटली ही ऑर्डर आलू गोभी था ना वो
आलू गोभी चटपटा लेकिन नहीं चटपटा नहीं पटा था
आलू गोभी चटपटा जो नहीं चटता ना पटा था ये अच्छा है यार सो आलू गोभी चटपटा सब्जी was not up to the mark up.
Otherwise, raita was very good.
Yeah, exactly. The bundi raita was amazing. The
Even
bundi was
after
crispy.
going इतना crispy, इतना अंदर जाने के बाद भी literally.
It was served cold. Really, the bundi was crispy even after being served in such a low temperature. It was really tasty.
हाँ, वो मैं
So if you are visiting Kasuri restaurant, the bundi raita is a must-try dish. Definitely.
लच्छा पराठा was good.
Lacha paratha was good apparently. My veg chow mein was average. I mean nothing out of the ordinary. I've had better chow mein on the streets.
नहीं but reason है कि ये चाउमीन की place नहीं
Exactly. So yeah, I had chow mein because I didn't want to overload myself. So that was on me actually. The taste, they are not, such restaurants are not usually known for their Chinese dishes. So it's okay.
Usually Chinese restaurant वगैरह popular नहीं है.
So yeah, correct. In this area, the popularity of Chinese restaurants or dishes for that matter is not that much. You might find good ones in Bangalore, but maybe not here. So that's about it. I'll end the vlog here. We are on our way back to our accommodation. So tomorrow's journey is going to be special.
It's a surprise.
Huh?
It's a surprise.
Surprise. Yeah, definitely. It's going to be a surprise. So you will get to know in the upcoming vlog. I hope you enjoyed this small उदयपुर हमने एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं किया मैं क्या बोलूँ कि उदयपुर एक्सप्लोरेशन ब्लॉग है ये
We'll go back in 2000s.
So this was a small vlog of we trying to explore Udaipur. Trying to. I did not explore. I'll not put that tag. We tried to explore, but it was enjoyable. For whatever efforts we put in, it was enjoyable. So I hope you enjoyed it too. This is a small vlog, and I'll meet you with the next one. Until then, take care. Have a great time.